Affordable Classics here in Gladstone, Oregon. Beautiful day, and you're looking at a beautiful car. 1957 Chevy Bel-Air Hardtop. Grille, bumpers, rubbers, all nice. Headlight bezels, hood ornament, pretty. American racing wheels, all the stainless, very nice. Here again, 57, the fins, gas caps of course, gold package in the front, dual exhaust. Here again, very nice. The interior, original pattern, which is very nice, just like the door panels and everything else. Here again, engine compartment, very presentable. They originally came with a 283. They put a 350 automatic that runs and drives very nice. Here again, nice door panels, interior. Trunk, very nice, has a spare, nice rubber mats. Best part, turn the key, starts right up.